Hello friends, in this section we'll learn about functions. Then first question is what is functions? Functions contains number of statements which execute a particular task. Then we see there are two types of functions in C programming. One is ready-made functions and another is inbuilt functions. The ready-made functions are these functions. We are already use these functions, ready-made functions. For example, I here mention that is getch is a ready-made function. Getch, clear screen, scanf, printf. These are the ready-made functions which already defined in a header files, so that's called as a ready-made functions, and so just we use in a in our program. But another type is a user defined functions. User defined functions user defined function are those functions which defined by the user defined by the user. So then we see how to declare user defined functions. There are three steps we can define user defined functions. Then first is a function prototype, another is function definition, and third one is function calling. Function prototype, there is a we can for example I tell you, for example for example for example void is the return type, and function name add and semicolon. This is a prototype. Or function declarations, we also call as function declarations. The another step is there is a function definition in which we can define body of functions. For example, void add and function body of function or statement. This is a functions definitions. These two steps, function protocol and function definition, is the outside the functions, and third step is function calling. For example, above function we call, that is only write function name, that is add. This is a function calling, and function calling is right within the main functions. So we see the program of function calling, program of user defined functions, and these three steps are we see in the program. So I write here simple program of user defined functions. Here I write simple program of user defined function. .h, then I write here conio.h. okay, then here I write function protocol, that is function declarations. Okay, then I write function definitions. Here I write statements. I declare here int a comma b comma c, and I take numbers from the user. Here percentage d address of A comma address of B. Okay, then C is equal to A plus B, and here I print out result which is stored in the C. Printf percentage so percentage T comma value of C. And I write main function of the program void main, in which I write function calling. First I write clear screen, then I here only write function name add 8ch. Okay, in this program I write 3 steps. See here, this is the functions protocol. Function prototype function prototype. This is the functions definitions, and in main functions I write function calling. This is the user defined functions. I compile this program, no errors, so I run this program. Value 1 2, and I get the additions 3.